In this video, you will see how to join this type of airdrop, people called L-Bank airdrop. That is exchanger like Binance. Exchanger is centralized exchange. So how do you join this type of airdrop? That is pretty much easy to join. I already gained over 100 $200 from this type of airdrop. My first payment on airdrop is this L-Bank airdrop I get. Maybe that payment was $35, like my first payment on airdrop. And here is $4,000 Rothwell um, Elon token that will provide 400 people. So in this airdrop, very few people join, so you have opportunity to gain this 4,000 Rothwell Elon. So if I calculate this 4,000 Elon, 4,000 Rothwell dollar Elon bhag $4,000 bhag 400, so you will get $10 is on. So $10 mean a lot of outside of first world country. So now how do you join? You need to have Twitter, you need to have L-Bank account, and very easy. So first thing first, go to tweet, retweet, like here is your work link, click on there. You can go into your Twitter account, wherever you has your Twitter, go there and do the work properly. So nothing fancy. Every airdrop is kind of like, it's easy to do. Your grandfather can do that, your small kid can do that, because just doing like, retweet, and follow their instruction. If you want to get big airdrop, come into my Telegram channel. I already put into comment box. Check out this video's comment. So now what should you do? Here is this post link, L-Bank account, follow L-Bank account. I already did. So if you are not, follow them. So it's refresh. So okay, I will find that manually. Now I'm come back here and I'm doing search L-Bank because I lost their post recently. L-Bank. So if you wanna join slowly, like your only way, you can search L-Bank. I already shared about Bitmart. How do you get those airdrop? You already just come into their Twitter, and you can see your way their post. The like they are occasionally give some giveaway to people and their audience. So you can come here, and who is uh, offer we gonna join. So this one. So Elon. So now what should you do? Tap on that offer and do like here, like the hit button, and repost, and follow this profile. Click on follow if you are not follow yet. Now back again that in post, and if you are don't follow L-Bank actions, follow them. I already did. If you don't join Telegram, here is Telegram link. Both channel hostinger is L-Bank, and Doggo, what is that? Dog Elon Musk the is the like company here. They put they listed in L-Bank exchanger their token, so therefore they give you something. So now done, retweet and like. So now what should you do? Just click on this post button, right down side option, and here is write down something like that. So this something like that, something like good project and 3 print tag, do tag, and copy that and click on replay. Okay, pretty easy. If you don't understand, feel free to watch again this video, and click on that green button that people call retweet. So you need to do here is go to it, the middle option. If you noticed, go to it, click on there. Now I wanna post same thing here for getting link, because while they will want to do you doing form fill up, so at the time that will be need. So I'm come back into my profile, and here you will gain that link. So copy that link and click on there. Here is from link, maybe you're seeing docs, or if you don't wanna go through that link, you can come back again to Telegram, and here is from link. You can click on there and get into their form to fill up your details. So nothing fancy, nothing complicated. If you take that complicated, I don't respect that from you. So if you feel somehow like hard, if you feel it is so hard, i will I will suggest you join every airdrop um, inside of my Telegram channel. If you don't understand, feel free to message me in the Telegram. I will teach you. Even if I need to teach you to doing call, I would do that definitely. So now you need to provide your email here. So I'm copied that email and put here. Now your Lbank user ID, where you will get your Lbank user ID, and your Lbank registered by email or phone number. So now if you wanna if you don't have Lbank, so download from Play Store, you can create inside of the Google, just search Lbank registration, click on registration button, and you will get immediately their access to doing registration. Okay, so now log in with Google account. Okay, I will definitely do that. Log in with Google account. I tap on there because I don't have time yet. You can, I suggest you to doing interview email and doing put a password. That will be better to create account. So you can use your LS account whenever you want. So like if it's not work, I will try in this way. I'm putting my email here like this way. 5, and security purpose I don't want to share with my password to you, so pause here, wait few minutes. Okay, now put your password, combine like letter, number, symbol, everything put together. Okay, loading should happen. Let me see. So instead of your Gmail gone a code, you need to take that code and put into here. So I'm trying to get that code inside of my Gmail. Now I have a couple of Gmail here, so wait here a few minutes, because a Gmail is somewhat like in busy now, because a lot of email is coming to here, because I subscribe newsletter other people's, therefore it's happening. Okay, maybe a tons of Gmail has arrived inside of my inbox. So pretty much it's not working, need to pause here again. So like this way you will get a email, like click on there, and here you have 6 code with number. You need to copy this code and copy, come in, copy. Okay, so copy, I already copied. Now coming to exactly this page, and this page is hangout, maybe you have noticed. Okay, paste here, paste, confirm, system error, please try again later. Okay, I'm again sent another code to being verified that I'm a human. okay, that I am a owner of the Gmail. Come back again, maybe another code will be arrived. Okay, come that code into, click on there, take that code and put into there, 609187. Copy, go there in the apps, paste exact that link, the sorry, that code, and done. Nothing need here fancy. So if you are click on wallet, your 00 balance, now where you will get your UID. Here is your UID below the Gmail, maybe you are seeing. So you need to, maybe you don't need to do QIC, but you don't need to QIC. So if you want to do that this way, no problem, you can do that. Now take that symbol that people called LBank ID and paste here, being eligible. If you are eligible in this airdrop, they will put you $10 inside of your LBank, and you can use that $10 wherever you want. This pretty matching. Crypto is this, it did crypto, like everything crypto D is do simple payment process, making money. So your LBank account that you created by, so that LBank account Gmailing to put here Ashil Kandi 5 gmail.com. Maybe they are maybe LBank account, maybe LBank community provide you money through this Gmail or this code or this ID. So anyways, which Twitter you using harness to participate this airdrop, put there. I participate Manda M1 Duel Manda 69619, and your retweet link that I copied. If you don't noticed, see again that thing, this one, and your Telegram, join Telegram. I will join later this by this account 619. So now submit that button, and that will immediately done your participation. After certain period later, if you are be eligible, you will get $10. I already get over $200 from LBank, exactly just LBank Twitter airdrop. So this is the thing, that how to join in LBank airdrop. So now what should I do here? uh, if you wanna get this link, so come into my Twitter, sorry, come into my Telegram. I've already put into comment box, check out comment or this channel's description. You will get that link immediately. So see you later in the next time. So everything they put, like join Telegram, join Twitter, join Discord, like, retweet, put LBank ID, Gmail, everything give you, okay, because they provide you precise thing, money, and you provide just information, nothing, uh, nothing take they from you, and they provide you valuable things. So don't be complicated thing, don't take seriously so much, just do that, and see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.